come in here with some powdered sugar. Oh yeah. Yeah! Let's make American Popovers, very similar to Yorkshire pudding. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of white granulated sugar to a medium bowl and give it a whisk. Add 3 large eggs, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract to a large bowl, and give it a whisk. Next, add 1 cup of warm, but not hot, milk and give it a good whisk. Then mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients until it is well combined. It should be a nice, runny batter. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then baste the inside of each cavity of a muffin pan or use a special popover pan. Pour any remaining melted butter into the bowl of batter and mix. Place the pan by itself in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for about 3 minutes. Remove the pan with oven mitts. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into each cavity. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until they puff up and are nice and golden brown. Let them cool for a few minutes, then remove them from the pan and place them on a wire rack to cool a few more minutes. Serve them plain. Or with pancake toppings like maple syrup, powdered sugar, fresh fruit, etc. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.